Hi everybody, it's Yemi here. Now, did you know you could view your ad statistics on Jiji.ng? And by ad statistics, I mean not just the number of visitors that have come into your ads, but also the number of phone number views you've had and also the number of chat requests you've had on Jiji.ng. When you have this kind of information at your fingertips, you'll be able to make even better business decisions on how you can make even more sales on Jiji.ng. Here's how to go about it. So first of all, you have to sign into your Jiji account. Next, you click on Profile. You then click on View Statistics. You then choose the duration you want to view. Is it for the day, for a week, or for the month? And then you're able to see the number of ad visitors, the number of phone number views, as well as the number of chat requests you've had for this duration. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And so if you love this video, we would like for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscription button down below. We would also appreciate it if you could click on that bell so you'll be alerted anytime you find new and insightful content that you would love. Please also follow us on all our social media platforms and visit us on Jiji.ng. Thank you.